So in this video, we will learn about the Lok Sabha. So Lok Sabha is also called House of the People, or lower house, or first chamber, or popular house. It represents people of India as a whole. So these are the name of Lok Sabha. Composition: the maximum strength of the Lok Sabha is 550, out of which 530 members are to be representative of the state and 20 of the UTs. And at present time, the current strength of Lok Sabha is 543, out of which 530 members represent the states as earlier, and 13 represent the UTs. For UTs, there are total 20 seats. Earlier, the president also nominated two members from the Anglo-Indian community, but by the 95th Amendment Act 2009, this provision was valid till 2020 only, and now it is not valid. There is at present there is total 243 strength, and out of which 230 are representing state and 13 are representing UTs. Election of representative means how the representatives of Lok Sabha are elected in from different state. So the representative of state are directly elected by the people from the territorial constituency in the state. Means all the state in their constituency, the member of different constituent of different state represent their member for the Lok Sabha. By the union territory, direct election was done in union territory under 1965, under Act 1965. And the representation are elected. So function, the main function of the Lok Sabha is to appoint the council of ministers. Means one of the most important function of the Lok Sabha is to select the executive, a group of persons who work together to implement the law made by the parliament. Means to select the executive represent here council of minister, through whose concerned prime minister work. This executive is often what we have in mind when we use the term government. Power. What are the real power of Lok Sabha? A decision in joint sitting. Any ordinary law need to be passed by both the houses. Means if we have to pass any law regarding the different issue of the country, so we have to pass it from the both the houses. However, in case of any differences between the two houses, the final decision is taken by calling a joint session. Means if there is a differences between the two houses, means one house agreeing with the law and one is not, then at that time joint session was held under Article 108. So due to larger strength, the view of the Lok Sabha is likely to prevail in such meeting. And at the time of joint session, the view of Lok Sabha is mostly prevail because due to its larger strength. Power in money matter. So first we had seen the decision in joint sitting. Means if we have to pass the law and there is a differences in decision between both the houses, then joint session was called, and in joint session Lok Sabha win. And joint session idea is under Article 108. And power in money matters. Lok Sabha exercises more power in money matter. Once the Lok Sabha passes the budget of the government or any other money related law, the Raj Sabha cannot reject it. Means if the Lok Sabha passed money matter law, then Raj Sabha can't reject it, and even president also can't reject it because money matter was made by the consent of president only. So president only gave it consent earlier on also. So power in money matter we had seen. Next is the Raj Sabha can only delay it by 14 days. In money matter law, Raj Sabha can only delay it by 14 days or suggest changes in it. However, the former may or may not accept these changes. Means they can't reject it, but Raj Sabha can delay it for 14 days. Power over Council of Minister means what are the power of Council? The Lok Sabha control the Council of Minister means Council of Minister are working under the Lok Sabha. If the majority of the Lok Sabha members say they have no confidence in the Council of Minister, all the minister, including the Prime Minister, have to quit. Means if the Lok Sabha member are against of Council of Minister and the majority, if the member are in majority, then all the Council of Minister have to who resign, and even Prime Minister also have to quit. The Rajya Sabha does not have this power, but in Rajya Sabha this power is not given. So in next video we will learn about the president.